can see how the Surefire White begonias are doing. So impressed with this plant, I have to say. I was a little bit skeptical right after we got done planting because they were so puny. They were so little, they had hardly rooted or hadn't even rooted in some of them into their containers. And I just thought, oh, here we go. I don't know, this might not be very nice, but they're gorgeous. The thing I like about them too is that they are like well behaved. You know, they fill in this space, but they're not shooting runners through the boxwoods and creating kind of a mess, which you'll see in several areas is what we do have going on. These are just like this nice mounded, compact, dense, colorful plant. Doesn't require fertilizer, doesn't require insect spray, it doesn't require deadheading. Takes sun and shade. I think in a real hot climate, they do prefer a little bit of protection in the late afternoon, which we found from our Surefire rose begonias. We'll look at that up in the Versailles garden. They are starting to rebound now that it's getting cooler, but overall an amazing plant.